Today I have a Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the headlights in this Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to turn on the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn off the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking lights. I'm going to show you how to put it in the auto setting. And I'm also going to show you how to turn on the fog lights because this vehicle is equipped with fog lights. So before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the Chrysler Pacifica, and in order to turn on the headlights, I am in the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle is turned on. It is currently in park. What I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and look to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And you see this right here? This area right here is where the headlight controls are at. All right, and it is natively, it's in the off position right now, okay? So it is in the off position right here. You can see this circle right here. That circle represents it being off. Now to turn on the parking lights, what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll turn this knob to right here. And the parking lights turn on. And it's indicative on the steering wheel. If you can see this right here, you can see right here, it shows you right there that is indicative of the parking lights on, that green light right there. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go back over here and we're going to look down here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for the headlights to be on. So I'm going to go right here. You see this right here? Now the headlights are on. When it's in this direction right here, it shows right there that the headlights is on, and it will show you right here that it's lined up. The headlights are on, okay? Now, you have that, and then there, if you go down, there is a fog light button, okay? So the headlights are on right here. There's a fog light button. Do you see this button right here? I'm going to press this. I press that, and the fog lights turn on. And if you look up on the steering wheel, right here, or not the steering wheel, but the instrument panel, you'll see right here that the fog light indicator is on right there. All right. Now, if I want to turn it off, I'll go back over here, and you see this. I'll just press this button, and the light goes off on the instrument panel. Now, to turn the lights into the auto selection, I'll just go ahead and take this knob, and I'll go here and go in the auto selection. So now the lights will turn on automatically and turn off automatically, depending on the outside. If it's bright outside, if it's daytime, the headlights will turn off automatically. If it's nighttime, they will turn on. This auto feature, a lot of people just keep it in that position. That way they don't have to remind themselves to turn on or turn off their headlights. Now to turn them off, okay, we're going to get to that. But before I get to that, I'm going to show you the high beam headlights. So say, for instance, I have it in the headlights are on, in the on feature right here, lined up with the on. So once it's right there, I can go up here, and right or to the left of the steering wheel is this lever. Okay, you see this lever right here? This lever right here is for the high beam headlights. It also has a different function, but we're talking about the headlights right here, the high beam headlights or the bright headlights. In order to turn the bright headlights on, I'm just going to take this lever and I can pull it towards me. And when I pull it towards me, all it does is flashes the high beam headlights. It does not keep them on, because as soon as I release it, they turn off. But in order to turn on the high beam headlights, what I'll have to do is go ahead and take this and press it, and it clicks into place. And when it clicks into place, the high beam headlights are on, and the indicator is this blue light that's on the instrument panel right there. That is indicative that the high beam headlights are on. When I want to turn it off, I just take the same lever, pull it back, that blue light turns off, and the high beam headlights are off. And when I'm ready to turn off the headlights, if it's not in the auto selection, I'm just going to take this lever or this knob and go all the way till it lines up with that circle. All right, that is how you turn on and off the headlights, the parking lights, the high beam headlights, the auto lights in this Chrysler Pacifica. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.